What's up, food friends? Hope y'all out there are doing amazing. If you're returning, thanks a ton. The support means a lot. If you're new here, I'm a former professional cook. I'm trying to help people get away from ultra processed foods, and I'm doing this through food discussion, food education, and posting healthy recipes. My name is Lee, and I'm just a dude talking food. So first thing I want to say is that I'm changing up formats. If you've seen my videos for the last 9 months or so, I've been doing a lot of faceless stuff. I was just experimenting with different formats, stick figure, faceless, getting in front of the camera. And I've decided that I'm going to get in front of the camera more. I think this is going to allow me to put out videos quicker, discuss current news topics a lot faster. So recording in this style is going to allow me to share articles like the one I'm reading about Dollar General store right now. Currently, they're having to recall all of their instant coffee because it may potentially contain ground glass. Obviously, we don't want to drink ground glass. This can lead to minor or potentially serious injuries. So if you're drinking instant coffee from Dollar General, ditch it. Throw it out. Get your money back. Do whatever. I'll have a link to the lot and UPC codes in the description like always. But this is pretty serious, ground glass and instant coffee. Or I can talk about how Lay's potato chips are being forced to redo their potato chips recipes due to the reliance on unhealthy trans fats and PHOs. These are the fats that clog our arteries, give us heart attacks, and they're not to be confused with good fats like olive oil that do the exact opposite. So now I can basically just turn my camera on anytime I'm reading anything that I think might be newsworthy or that I feel like discussing on the channel. I'm reading an article. I think it's worthy. I can just pop everything on and start recording. This should lead to a lot more videos, much quicker production, and much more newsworthy events caught much sooner. So moving forward, I'll be doing all of these news and informational videos in this in-person format. The faceless videos were fun, but they take a lot of work and they don't feel as personal. I feel there's a better connection doing videos this way. The old style really felt like I was giving a presentation at work, where this feels more like I'm actually engaging. I also want to say we've got a ton of recipes planned for the future. We're just waiting for the weather to cool off. We've got a really small kitchen. We've got no central AC. And with the camera, both of us in the kitchen, the lights, everything turned on, the stove, the ovens, the burners, it gets a little overwhelming and it gets really hot in there. So hopefully in 3 or 4 weeks, when the weather cools off, we will be able to get back in the kitchen. We've got a ton of recipes planned. We've got everybody's recipes that they've asked for, plus a ton that I want to get out there. Going to be taking some time off from work in the fall so that I can catch up and crank out a whole ton of recipes for everybody. So just want to thank you all for bearing with us during the summer. I wasn't really prepared for this. It's sort of the first year of this channel and dealing with everything. But thank you all for bearing with us, and we're totally going to be cranking some more stuff out in the future. Can't wait. Thank you all for your time today. It really means a lot to me. Please leave a like, leave a comment. It helps the channel grow through YouTube's algorithm. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That'll help the channel grow as well. Plus, we've got a ton more content coming out. We'll be doing these news discussions. We'll be doing food awareness discussions, and also all of these recipes that I promised. So leave your comments. Tell me what you want to see in the future, and we will get to it eventually. We've got lots planned. Have a great one, everyone. Take care. Peace.